Are you a startup founder or an entrepreneur, or somehow you are related to the startup industry? Then you might have heard that ABC company has raised the pre-series round, XYZ company has raised the series A round, series B, series C. Do you really want to know what is pre-series, series A, series B and series C? So today we will be discussing about types of funding round. Hello guys, my name is Yogesh Tite and I am the founder of Entie. Let's start. In startup ecosystem, when some investor invest into particular startup, that is a round of fund, and at what stage they invest, that decides what is the stage of that particular round or what is the type of that particular round. So let's try and understand what are the major types of funding round, what is the stage, how much generally investor invest into that round, and who are the investors. Let's start. So round happens according to the stage of the company, what is the fund requirement and who are the investor. And there is logic in between all these three things. Let's understand. The first thing is pre-seed. So pre-seed means you are ready with the MVP and prototype and now you are planning to raise small amount of funds. That means you are ready with the MVP. Generally the fund size of this round is $10,000 to $50,000. And the investors would be all individual investors. Your family, friends, HNIs, angel investors and the network of the angels. Your family, friends, angel network and HNIs. The next stage is seed stage. Seed stage means you have got the MVP, but now you have got the early users. That could be paid or unpaid, but you have got some traction. There are some users, clients and customers who are using your product, your service. So you can call it traction. Generally the fund size of this round is of $50,000 to $100,000. And again in this round, the investors would be individual investors. Means all your family, friends, angel network and HNIs. There could be a chance that in this stage you might not be asking money to your family and friends. So all these angel network and HNIs would be the investor. Now you have got the early traction. The next stage is post seed. Some people call it pre-series round. This stage or this round means you have got the paid users and now the users are growing. Your product is growing. You are taking effort to make your product more better. That means paid users, your product is growing and you are making it better. Generally the fund size of this round is $100,000 to $1 million. And in this case the angel investors, angel network, HNIs and VC would take interest. Early stage VCs plus early VCs. Now the next round is series A. This round means now your product is matured enough to take to the new geography, to the new market, and now you want to scale, you want to expand. That is the case wherein you would have the series A round. That means your product is matured and you are going for scale up. And the fund size of this round would be right from $1 million to $10 million. There is no limitation whether it would be a 1 million or 10 million, it could be 5 million, 15 million, 20 million or less than 1 million as well. but these are the general understanding in which round how much generally people invest. And the investor would be VC and private equity company, PE. The next round is Series B. Once your product is matured and you have scaled it up to the level, now you want to go beyond boundaries, beyond your nation, or you want to increase some services, or you want to add some product, you want to test the new market. That is where you can plan for this round, expansion or market share. Or market share grabbing by introducing new product and services. Generally this round is of, let's say, $10 million to $20-25 million. Again, the investors should be venture capital companies and PE. Then another round is C. This round is generally to be a market leader, to acquire some startups, to acquire some companies, to acquire some manufacturing unit, wherein you can increase your market share and you are trying to be market leader. That time this round generally happens. Acquisition and becoming a leader. This round is generally about $50 million to $100 million to billion as well. And again, the investors would be VC and PE. So all these rounds, stages, fund size and investors, there is some logic. Though there is no defined way that so and so investment size would be coming under this round of fund, but these are the general practices and what has been observed in the market. I hope you got to learn something today, and if so, you can like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you again.